Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to leave a WhatsApp group without notification. WhatsApp has a feature that addresses this very concern, allowing users to leave group chats more discreetly than ever before. This is a game changer for those who value their privacy and peace of mind. It ensures that your exit won't be broadcasted to the entire group, reducing the potential for any social friction. Instead, only the group's admins are notified, making the process much more subtle. Exiting a WhatsApp group without drawing attention has become a straightforward process, and thanks to a WhatsApp update. Here's you can leave a group silently. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of display. This action opens the group's information page. Then scroll down to the end of the group information page and tap Exit Group, located at the bottom. When prompted, confirm your decision. A message will appear indicating that only the group admins will be notified of your departure. For Android users, all you need to do is long press on the group chat you wish to leave. Then tap Exit Group on the menu that pop-ups. Now confirm your exit when the confirmation message appears, which will also remind you that only admins are notified. By allowing these steps, you can leave any WhatsApp group without causing a significant disturbance. This is particularly useful if the group has a large number of admins. And tip, alternative option, archiving the chat. If you are looking for a less permanent solution to manage group chat notifications, consider archiving the chat. These options can be found in the same menus as the exit group function. Archiving a chat removes it from your main chat list without notifying other members, allowing you to access and respond to messages at your convenience, all while appearing as an active member from the outside. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.